Here's my completed, I guess I call it a GHK G5 inspired custom blaster here. So started with the EMERBU M4 platform. So it's a Gen 8.5 gearbox in there. It was already fully upgraded. So that meant it already has the metal gears. It has an upgraded motor, upgraded spring, also has a metal inner barrel, and obviously can handle that 11.1 with that upgraded motor, no problem. Only difference I did is I put a different spring in there, and I have a lot of different parts around. I had a really big spring, probably like a 140, which is way too much. It couldn't handle that, so I cut that down a little bit. I put it in here, and it is hitting some crazy FPS. So you guys are gonna have to watch the demo video to see that. But as of right now, this is the strongest blaster I've had. Now I don't know how long that would actually last long term in this, so I'm gonna do some more demos with it to kind of figure that out. But it was having no issue, and it was just using the inexpensive 11.1 volt batteries, because I have seen a difference if you're pushing, you're pushing the gearbox harder. Using a better quality battery does make a difference. So this was doing it with the cheap one, so that gives me hope that it will have no problem to continue with that spring. So everything I made here was custom, obviously, except for the receiver itself. But went ahead and put this all together. I showed a build video that kind of talked about my inspiration and kind of what I do when I make these custom pieces. So really I take like one piece that I like, I end up modifying it, multiplying it, combining it, and then trying to reuse that throughout the build to kind of tie everything together. So the GHK G5 has kind of it looks like an Evo Scorpion essentially, or very similar. So I use some kind of Scorpion type pieces too. So you see with a custom stock, and I did that whole texture paint on here just because I had something new to try and I thought it would look nice. So got your stock back here, right? And of course this just screws it on tight. It's not screwed in. Got a little sling plate that I customized to fit on there. Little bottom of the grip just kind of looks cool, right? Got your canted risers with some printed, iron sight style sights here. Got your riser here with kind of that Scorpion type front end, little grip here, and then of course your bigger grip out here. Got a nice recessed suppressor. I had a different one I was going to use for this, and it just didn't work out, and I didn't like how it looked. So I went with this instead, which I really do like how that looks. I think that's a pretty cool fake suppressor. And then of course tied things in with the optic and just putting a little bit of color into that, and then a little color down here on the bottom of the mag for that speed grip on the bottom of the mag. Anyway, there we go. Really happy with how it turned out. Really happy with the performance. Make sure you guys watch those demo videos. Definitely like it. Check out EMERBU. They got some really nice blasters coming soon that'll be both on their website and on Amazon. They're going to have a Metal Gear ARP 9, and then they're going to have some nice new Metal Gear V2 gearbox blasters that are going to be really nice on Amazon soon too. I think you can see them now, but those won't be available until December. And then they've got a Metal Gear G36 full upgraded that should be available now. All right. So check them out. Comments, questions, post them below. Like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and participate in those monthly giveaways. Thanks.